What's up, Crypto Nation? We back with another Bitconnect video. $94.89. Let's go ahead and transfer that over. Transfer all that goodness over. And as we can see, actually, let me hit lend real quick. Let me hit lend. Ooh. Creating a new lend deposit disabled for the next hour and 7 minutes. Time due to BCC trading volatility crossed 10% mark. So that's the thing that they implemented. I guess. I mean, it doesn't really bother me, but I guess they're trying to protect the volatility of their coin. Can't blame them there. But anyway, let's go hit transactions. The website's been acting a little wonky lately. And now it's working fluid right now. I thought maybe I would be able to catch some of it, but see here, very low payouts. But you know what? I consider it, hey, money I didn't have yesterday and vice versa. You know what I'm saying? So this is all great, man. I mean, you know, see, this is what it's been doing. Random throwing you to like the main page. Like it just does weird stuff. It's been doing weird shit lately. Today, specifically. Let's hit transfer. I'm on that bullsh, baby. $94.89. I don't even know if this is going to even let me do it. I don't know what's going on. This is part of that wonkiness I was talking about. I don't know what's happening with the website, but as you can see, it is acting super strange. Look at that. If you just saw the BCC count was $0. Go back and look at the video from that point. It just said it was like $0 at that point. What in the hell? Back to the dashboard. Back to transfer. Back to the dashboard. Guess we're going to play this game all night. Can't even create a transfer. Damn. Well, guys, there you have it. This new thing that they have implemented, the circuit breaker, is officially pissing me off tonight. So I wasn't too upset with it because I didn't want to lend anything, but the fact that I can't transfer anything, which is why I specifically made this video, and didn't realize that was going to happen. That really makes me mad. So, sorry, but that's probably why people are having issues from the chat saying, is anybody having issues with taking Bitcoin in or sending Bitcoin or taking Bitcoin out or selling and buying and trading and moving? Like, everybody's having this issue is because of that. I'm now completely convinced it's because of the circuit breaker thing that they have enabled. So guess I won't be able to do anything for an hour. So what are you gonna do? Can't do nothing. I'm at the mercy of Bitconnect. So they've been treating me good, so I'll let it slide, but shit really does piss me off. Anyway, guys, I will catch you in the next video, and hopefully we'll be able to do something, anything.